The full version of the Budget and Measurement Manager let you saving the project data to work with them in different working sessions. The file where the data is saved is a plain text file, which can be opened and edited. Anyway, you should not modify the structure. You can also export the project data to an XML file, which is a metalanguage used to structure large data listings. Various editors, including Microsoft Excel, can open this type of files. You can also export the data directly to Excel. There are various export modes. The Export Chapters mode exports only the data related to the set of chapters, that is, those that appear in the table when viewing a chapter. Two export modes are available with respect to the spatial organization of the data, the horizontal mode and the vertical mode. On the other hand, the Export Chapters and Items mode exports all data, both those related to the set of chapters and those related to the set of items, including all the measurements of each item, that is, the data that appears in the table when viewing an item. Again, there are two export modes depending on the spatial organization of the data, horizontal and vertical.